What is load shedding in off-grid systems? Imagine you're in a remote area with no connection to the main electrical grid. You relying on solar panels, wind turbines, batteries, and maybe a generator for power. Now, what happens when the sun isn't shining, the wind isn't blowing, or your batteries are running low? That's where load shedding comes into play. Load shedding in off-grid systems is a way to manage limited power supply by turning off or reducing power to certain devices. It's a controlled process that helps keep the entire system stable and working smoothly. Since off-grid systems depend on a small number of energy sources, they can't just draw extra power from the grid like city systems do. Instead, they need to carefully balance what they generate and store with what they use. The main idea is to prioritize what needs power most. Critical loads like communication equipment, medical devices, or essential lighting stay on. Less important things like appliances, extra lighting, or non-essential electronics are turned off first. This way, the system can continue to supply power to the most vital parts without crashing. Modern off-grid systems use sensors and automatic controls to decide when to shed load. They monitor system parameters such as frequency, voltage, and how much energy is left in the batteries. If the system detects that power is low or unstable, it quickly disconnects lower priority loads. This process can happen in just a few milliseconds, preventing bigger problems like system shutdowns or damage. Load shedding also works with the energy storage and renewable sources. When solar or wind power drops, the system reduces load to avoid overdischarging batteries. This helps extend battery life and keeps the system running longer during cloudy days or calm winds. In real-world applications, load shedding is essential for remote communities, emergency services, or telecommunications stations. It ensures that critical functions keep working even when power is limited. For example, during periods of low sunlight, the system sheds non-essential loads to conserve energy for essential services. In summary, load shedding in off-grid systems is a smart way to keep everything running smoothly. It helps prevent system failure, protects equipment, and makes the most of the limited renewable energy available. By carefully controlling which loads stay on and which go off, these systems stay reliable and efficient, even in tough conditions.